Hi, Elaine here with WTI. In searching for a black mask, you want to try these BENEHALs because they have a great soft nose piece that has the forming around your nose that gives you great sealing around your face. And I do like that it's a one string that in this design, it's really cool. It's the one string that goes all the way around and you can adjust it on this side. You can make the adjustment and make it a little smaller. And I do like that even with my glasses, you can see what it does. I am not fogging up. I'm wearing the mask and breathing. No fogging at all. Awesome for glasses. So if you're searching for a black N95 mask that has comfy grip around your nose, it doesn't fog up for your glasses, and is stretchy and goes around your head and not your ears to hurt them, then you want to try these. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.